advice for campers of all levels to learn from. Foregoing a 5-star hotel for the rustic enjoyment of camping can make for an amazing vacation for the whole family, you and your so or all by yourself. Check out the tips and tricks in the following video that will enable you to make the absolute most of your camping vacation. Did you know that a simple mirror can save your life? If you are camping and end up in a survival situation, a simple handheld mirror can be used to signal for help many miles away. Do not buy the standard glass mirror. Many camping supply stores sell mirrors made of Lexan that will float and are practically unbreakable. Do plenty of research on your camping site and ensure that it offers everything that your group will need. Consider the individual needs of each camper to ensure that everyone is taken care of. This alleviates the need to make supply runs, or worst case, have to end the trip too soon. When it comes to children, don't hesitate to overpack. There is a lot of mess that goes along with camping. Kids love getting into dirt. This means that as the day goes on, the dirtier your kids will get. You can't avoid the dirt, but some extra clothes will help out. Prepare ahead of time. You need to maintain your cleanliness while camping. Good hygiene is difficult when you are camping sometimes, but you can keep yourself clean. A bottle of hand sanitizer is excellent to have so you can clean hands before eating. You can also use rubbing alcohol on areas of your body that are not sensitive. A mild biodegradable soap and a sponge can be used to take mini baths when water resources are low. Nature has so much more to offer us on a vacation than the usual theme park or sandy beach. Make the most of your camping trip by following the useful advice in this video. There are many things to consider in order to make your camping venture a success, so make sure you've covered all the bases and are prepared for anything. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.